welcome to Sandpaper. মই হলো আপোনালোকৰ আস্মিতা বা এণ্ড যোনে মোক প্ৰথমবাৰ দেখিছে থ্ৰু আ ইউটিউব চেনেল মোৰ কথা অকণমান কৈ দিওঁ I am Ashmita Rekha Bora. I was ranked 9 in Assam Land and Revenue Service APSC 2019 batch যোনটো মই মোৰ first attempt clear কৰিছিলো 2019 ৰ পৰা 2024 লৈকে I was in government of Assam as a civil servant as a circle officer and executive magistrate আৰু 2024 পৰা মই আপোনালোকৰ লগত Sandpaper through জড়িত হৈ আছো so today going by APSC CCE mains results are out and people who are appearing for interviews are appearing for mock interviews first in fact APSC interviews are day to start hoye goise 19th is the first date of document verification and 20 pa it's starting full blown I think I am correct now the point is we need to know what APSC CCE interviews may you are supposed to do and not supposed to do ठीक है today I am specifically coming with what not to do okay because what to do ke what not to do's are larger আমি যদি to do's and not to do's are the list banao what not to do's is a far bigger list than to do's and not to do's bo hekile to do's bo automatic hoy jabo so what not to do's is something that we are going to learn today jodi apni APSC interview appear korao nai you are a fresh aspirant or even if you are an experienced aspirant আজি নহলে বা কালি তো আপোনালোকে ইন্টারভিউ অ্যাপিয়ার করিব so you need to go through this video very carefully and you should learn what to do what not to do specifically in this video কেৰেমান announcement কৰি দিও তো আমাৰ লগত আমাৰ ভাৰত ভূষণ দেৱ চৌধুৰী স্যাৰ তেও আমাৰ মক ইন্টাৰভিউত আহা কথা আছিলে but so many people asked for him and he had little time to give to us so we formulated a plan আমি রিকোয়েস্ট কৰিলো স্যাৰক টু গিভ us a day with more time so that আমি সকলো এসপিৰেন্টক মাতি পেলাই এটা গ্ৰুপ ওৰিয়েন্টেশন কৰিব পাৰো what is a group orientation in that day যোনটো আমি 18th January বুলি হোল্ড কৰিছো that day sir will be there with you sir এটা প্ৰেজেন্টেশন ও সবকে শো কৰিব বুলি আমাক জনাইছে plus he will groom you what to do what not to do from the former chairman point of view and আপোনালোকে sirok nijor heartot thaka jikunu question hudibo paribo and sir will be there to help you through the mocks iman bularasoli we asking for sir so we thought ki chalo let us do it a group activity so that it benefits you for the maximum so Sandpaper Academy is organizing this exclusive group orientation with Bharat Bhushan Dev Chaudhary sir on the 18th of January morning 10 am or pa arambho hobo and of course it's a free session aru 18 January hol Sunday it's a Sunday aru 19th to maximum manu apnaloke ahi jabo no jano 19th karone you will come so even if you have appeared other mocks even if you appeared sir's mock it is extremely important that you come that day it's a Sunday spare some time give this a priority and attend the session because it's very important to understand the point of view so attend the session it's a free session moi juntu amar kiba ase juntu amar Google link ase to moi down below link kori disu the other very important announcement is our mock interview it's ongoing so we have a senior panel amar senior panel ase Swapnil Barua sir he's with us every day and we are so honored to have with us every day then we have Violet Barua ma'am she's also with us every day we have Robin Kalita sir he's also with us every day preferably morning half second half enuka ke sir hokole ma'am hokole nijor major interchange kori loise and it is an extremely strict board apni like easy board ot goi to eneu lamda amnake gomei pai and these are the people who have been external members of APSCs who have gone through the APSC Viva themselves sir hote bahut hokol lorasoli APSC Viva actual APSC Viva loise aru he hokol lorasoli aji officers hoy ase so it is very important that you attend the mock interview panel of Sandpaper this time we have put extra effort so that you get joabare amar tat like you know so many people came for my panel and this time we have this hero panel so I don't think you should miss at all we have a junior panel as well jot moi Gyandeep Bishwajit da and we have other officers of our the younger part who are sitting in it বহুত মানুহে হেতু প্রেফার কৰিছে so we have given dates for that as well but You should not miss this hero panel. This is a hero panel. I do not think that there will be a better combination of people. They know everything. 360-degree grooming, 360-degree grooming. You are going to get 360-degree grooming. So do not miss. Taru link to my tolar lagai disu. Please fill up the form and come for mock viva. This is also free. Okay. We have already started from 8 Jan. 2 days already gone. Coming days, so it is advised that you do it. Okay. Chalo, this is a photo, Ajir photo hai. And dekhi gam paise sir bahut strictly, they like, she's one aspirant has come from Koliabor, bahut strictly and what we do in sandpaper, once the aspirant faces the board, they come out and discuss with me. তেওঁলোকে মোৰ লগত ডিসকাস কৰে, তেওঁলোকে ড্যাফ টু ডিসকাস কৰে, ওকে, কি টাইপৰ প্ৰবেবল কোৱেশ্চন আহিব পাৰে। স্যাৰ হতে প্ৰেসক্ৰিপচন দি আছে ইন देयर ল্যাঙ্গুৱেজ, দে আৰ গিভিং আ প্ৰেসক্ৰিপচন, ওকে, এনেকে মুখেদি কৈ পেলাই পঠাই দিয়া নাই। And we have someone who is there, who is sitting and writing all the feedbacks, because we believe that you must remember whatever feedback is given to you. And sir hote to likhi they are given, and they are giving it off to the students. They are taking it home, they are looking at it and improving. We believe in written feedbacks. যোৱাবাৰো আমি ফৰ্ম দিছিলো, এবাৰো প্ৰেসক্ৰিপচন বুলি কৈছে, সো ময়ো প্ৰেসক্ৰিপচন বুলি কৈছো। দৰ্দ কি দवा ইধৰ, I do not think you should miss it. Also another thing, too many things I'm saying, but উপায় নাই। আজি আসাম ট্ৰিবিউন খন লৈ লব, আজি আসাম ট্ৰিবিউন খন লব। ফ্ৰাইডে আমি সদায় আহুৱে, I write a regular column in the Assam Tribune. Friday campus বুলি এখন newsletter আহে, তাৰ second page I write every Friday at a column likhu, and this time I have already given APSC interview what to do and what to avoid, ঠিক আছে? So go through it very properly, that মই নিজৰ tidbits দিছো from whatever I have learned, whatever I have faced, and I have been jeneke mains answer writing I have been doing since 2019. Interview ke liye I have been grooming since 2020. Eto etia pisot sale hindsight sale gom pai, and a lot of people now who are in service come and tell me je apuni Facebook or 2020 te ta video disile hetu was supremely helpful, I saw it and today I am in service. So be very carefully, take this, it will be available everywhere. Assam Tribune is available everywhere, and then look at it kya likha hai, theek hai? Now what not to do. Number one thing what not to do kya hai is, do not listen to people who have not qualified the interview or taken it. Taken it mane as a interviewer, okay? Jodi kunba enekwa aspirant ase jone interview board qualify korise, okay, who have qualified the board, tar mane an officer, listen to those people only, listen to those people only, because মই আপোনাক বহুত কেয়ারফুলি কৈ দিও, এটো মই কৈও থাকো, এটা ইন্টারভিউয়ে আপোনাৰ গুটে like your success and failure determine কৰিব পাৰে। There is a game of about 40-50 marks or hairfare easily হৈ যাব পাৰে। You can, if you give a very terrible interview, apni 80-70 লকে নামিব পাৰে। If you give a very good interview, you can go to 125, 126, 130. আজি মোক মোৰ টিমৰ মেম্বাৰ জনে কৈছে কি his own friend got 135, although he is not in the list, but he was close. So please be very careful কাৰ কথা শুনি আছে। Not every YouTube video is important, not every shots is important, not every person is important, আৰু এটো কাৰবা গাত লাগে কাৰবা গাত না লাগে। This video is aimed for you to clear. So যদি আপুনি clear হ'ব খুজিছে, please be very sure whom are you listening to. A person appearing 4 interviews is not someone who can give you the exact thing to pass. Teo 4টা interview 4টা বেলেগ বেলেগ ভুল কৰিব পাৰে, precisely why it is 4 interviews. আৰু এজন মানুহ যোনে first like attemptত clear কৰি গৈছে, তেওঁ ক'ব পাৰে what went right in their interview, and right now you need to know what went right. There are a million ways to go wrong. You need to know what is right. So please listen to people who have, don't listen to people who have not qualified. Etu kotha moi koi thaku aru agoloku koi thakim, mains answer writing or kothao koisilu, itia a lot of people come and say je etu bhul hol, etu bhul hol, etu bhul hol. So don't make the mistake after the like na naiya doob gayi hai. now to দুবাৰ পিছত আহি পেলাই ও এটো কৰিব নালাগিছিলে বুলি কৈ লাভ নাই so now দুবাৰ আগতে আপুনি চাই লওক কাৰ কথা শুনি আছে so don't listen to people who have not qualified there are million people who are coming and giving a million advices so don't listen to people who have not qualified or don't listen to people who have not taken the interview jone interview loi poa nai to etu sai lok ki whom are you listening to when I say interview I mean CC interview okay departmental exam or interview aro CC interview eke nohoy unfortunately departmental exam or apnak departmental concern question hudibo jodi kunba departmental exam pass kora manu board ot bohi ase avoid the board this is very mane sidha sidhi kotha CCE is a different game departments are a different game I am not saying anything is better than the other but department at apnak department specific question hudibo যদি আপনি ফরেস্ট ৰেঞ্জৰ এক্সাম দিব গৈছে obviously তাতো অপচনেল আছে আপোনাক তাৰ বিষয়ে হুদিব if you're going for enforcement আপোনাক তাৰ কথা হুদিব department specific exam hole obviously department কথা হুদিব and it will not be a general interview like CC interview so be very careful where are you sitting out for the mocks okay third don't attend 1000 mocks ratipa moi yad dim goduli moi yad dim rati moi tat dim Sunday moi yad dim Saturday you will only be confused choose at max 2 boards moi nijor kolu lora select koisu choose at max 2 boards দুটা বোৰ্ডত বহি পেলাই আপুনি ৰিয়েলাইজ কৰিব যে একে এলাইনমেন্টত কিবা দিছে এটা একে এলাইনমেন্টত ধৰক হেৰি দিছে ফিডব্যাক দিছে যদি একে এলাইনমেন্টত ফিডব্যাক দিছে আপুনি থাৰ্ড বোৰ্ডত বহিবলৈ কোনো দৰকাৰ নাই একেগিটা কথাই ক'ব ইফ দ্যাট বোৰ্ড ইজ আ প্ৰপাৰ বোৰ্ড যদি এনেকুৱা হয় যে দুটা বোৰ্ডত আপোনাক একদম উল্টা এটা এ বুলি কৈছে এটা জেড বুলি কৈছে তো কোই এক বোৰ্ড তো ঠিক नहीं है then you will have to go to the third board third board গৈ পেলাই আপুনি চাওক মেজৰিটি বোৰ্ডে কি কৈছে তাৰপিছত আপুনি যোনটো সবতছে ফেথ থাকে হেতু আপুনি ফলো কৰক but don't go to a board z board like enuka like thousands of boards goi kam nai ekegita kothai kobo tatke you attend 2 boards or you attend 3 boards to tetai koribo jodi like conflicting apna kotha koy aru duta board lobo duta boardot apni bohok bohi pele apni find out korok ki apuni koribo logia ase moi hole to enuka korilu heten moi I did not attend any mock because our days were a little different although my mock one of the highest marks in my APSCCC and my mock I learned giving mock in my college because we were trained to do so kintu apunaloke ki koribo lage ideally attend the mock unprepared okay first mock to apuni unprepared attend korok then prepare kori pele you sit for another mock okay the same beleg apni ji bisare aru sit for another mock and then you understand je kaha reh gaya hai kaha kya karna hai okay and had I been you I would not have missed Bharat Bhushan sir's seminar because it is extremely important to understand his point of view aru teo ki kobo bisarise so mock hole ki hoy apunak proshno koribo apuni jawab dibo but seminar hole ki hobo sare ki kobo bisarise you will get to know which is more important so that is very important I don't think you should miss the 18th ka session at all plus it's a Sunday जो टू जी ऐसे कैंसिल करो कम टू सैंडपेपर अटेंड दिस नेक्स्ट डोंट फॉरगेट बेसिक एटिकेट एटो तो जाने ग्रीट द लेडी फर्स्ट ओके ग्रीट द लेडी फर्स्ट एटो तो आपनालोके जाने বুলি মই আশাই কৰিছো এটো এটা বেসিক ফান্ডামেন্টাল যদি এখন বোর্ডত তিনিজন মানুহ বহি আছে the central one is the chairman or the chairperson so তেওঁ গৈ পেলা ফার্স্ট উইশ কৰিব লাগে দেন বাকি গিটাক উইশ কৰিব লাগে I think you know about it বাকি গিজনক উইশ কৰিব লাগে যদি এনেকুৱা হয় কি দুজন বহি আছে ইভেন নাম্বাৰত বহি আছে then you will have to wish the lady first then wish the gentleman যদি দুই গৰাকী লেডি বহি আছে then দুই গৰাকীকে কৈ দিয়ক that doesn't the order doesn't matter যদি দুইজন জেন্টলম্যান বহি আছে দুইজনকে কৈ দিয়ক the order doesn't matter so এই বেসিক এটিকেট বোৰ পাহৰি নাযাব may I come in can I sit good morning এইবোৰ বেসিক এটিকেট আৰু এইবোৰ একদম তাত গৈ পেলাই নার্ভাস হৈ গলো মই পাহৰি গলো all these things don't do পাহৰি যাব বোর্ডে মার্কস দিব পাহৰি যাব so you need to be present in the mock etu moi ebaru aru eta koisu mock noy in the interview mock koisu ebar agot sam but don't forget basic things ebu to basic bostu ratipa ja goleu dekhon namaskar kobo pare apni jodi kobo bisare okhomiyat jodi arambho kore ebu bostu to basic bostu no যে চুলাটো যে ফৰ্মেল পিন্ধি যাব লাগে, হীৰা মতি যে লগাই যাব নালাগে, এইবোৰতো আপোনালোকে জানেই ন। সো এই বেসিক এটিকেটছবোৰ পাহৰি নাযাব। বেসিক এটিকেটবোৰ পাহৰি গলে বোৰ্ডেও আপোনাক মাৰ্কস দিব পাহৰি যাব। সো এই বেসিক বস্তু আৰু এইবোৰ ম্যানাৰ্স আৰু দিজ আৰ নট ইভেন এটিকেটছ, দিজ আৰ লাইক ম্যানাৰ্স। এইবোৰ আপোনাৰ নিজৰ নিজৰ কিবাত নিজৰ পাৰ্সোনালিটিত ইনগ্ৰেইনড হ'ব লাগে। যদি এইখিনি ম্যানাৰ্স নাথাকে তেতিয়াহ'লে উপায় নাই, এইখিনি টাইমত শিকি লওক। ম্যানাৰ্সটো থাকিবই লাগিব। দিস ইজ বেসিক এটিকেট। ওকে, নেক্সট, ডোন্ট গেট লষ্ট ইন দ্য মিডল অফ দ্য ইন্টাৰভিউ। এটুত স্পেশালি তেতিয়া হয় যেতিয়া বোম ব্যাশিং চলি থাকে, হয় না? বোম ব্যাশিং চলি আছে। ফাৰ্ষ্ট ডে মোক এজন ষ্টুডেণ্টে কৈছে মোৰ এনেকুৱা লাগিছে মই হাৱাত এনেকে উৰি আছো। আৰু এজনে কৈছে কি এনেকে কথা কৈ কৈ আই গট লষ্ট, মই ক'বালে গুচি গলো বিকজ সো মাচ ব্যাশিং ৱাজ গোইং অন। ব্যাশিং ইজ গুড, ব্যাশিং ইজ গুড। So if someone is having a good time in an interview, that is bad. যদি কোনোবাই হা 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 কৰি আছে, that is bad. Bashing is good. So যদি এনেকুৱা হৈছে bashing হৈ আছে, don't get lost in the middle of the interview. Be present. Be present. Track your interview. Track it. কোন পিনে গৈ আছে? Oh, I'm losing track of my... If you're losing track of your interview, not good. তাৰ মানে you're getting lost. अब खो मत जाओ. Oh my God, what's happening here? No, no. Be present. What's happening, you will think after 45 minutes. Abhi it's karo ya maro mode. You sit in the interview, you track where your interview is going. যদি এনেকুৱা হৈছে कि your interview is going somewhere where you don't want it to go, उसके बारे में आपको नहीं पता है, then throw in a statement where they can catch it and you know where you can trick your interview. Throw in something. হবি উপর কিবা কিবি আপোনাক ব্যাশিং চলি আছে, গার্ডেনিং বুলি কলে আপুনি কিবা কিবি ব্যাশিং চলি আছে, স্যার একচুয়ালি গার্ডেনিংতকে বেছি মই রাইটিং কৰি ভাল পাওঁ। থ্ৰো ইন, they'll catch it. অলপমান গালি চালি খাব পাৰে, but they'll catch it. And then you like continue with writing. মই example দিছো, something which you can defend. So be present, don't get lost. Interview is like a car, you need to drive it, you need to take it where you want to. I need to convince people that you can drive the car. Because on the basis of your skill of driving the car, they will allow you to drive the car of government. Understood? So you need to be present. You cannot be lost and you cannot be pata nahi kya hi ho raha hai mere sath. You cannot do that. Okay? Next, don't be a fashionista. Chatak kapde nahi chahiye. Chatak kapde nahi chahiye. Don't think you are cool and I'll not garmi hai, I'll not wear a blazer. Wear a blazer. Upay nai. Women, ladies, এটা বস্তু টিপিক্যালি আমাৰ মকত কৈছে, চুলিবোৰ যে আউল বাউল হৈ থাকে, জেন্টলমেনক কোৱা নাই, চুলিবোৰ যে আউল বাউল হৈ থাকে, সেই আউল বাউলবোৰ কমাব লাগিব। Try to tie your hair in a bun. Okay? Try to tie your hair in a bun. খোপা এটা মাৰি লওক। তাত গৈ আৰু হিৰোইন হৈ থাকি লাভ নাই, আধা হাফ টাই, ফুল টাই, I might not look pretty. You don't need to look pretty. You need to look disciplined. You don't look to look pretty. Look pretty, you'll do your fashion shoot once you get inside service. Lots of chances to do fashion shoot. That day, you need to be the simplest version of yourself. Makeup korak, minimal, don't have shiny lips, don't have shiny eyes, don't wear pearls. All this I don't understand. Don't wear chatak yellow, chatak red, chatak blue. Don't wear your shadi ka kapda. Don't do that. Be as simple as you can. Be as simple as you can. Kiba pastel kapur pinila aru bhal lage. Tum bahut pleasant to the eye. Because everything you do matters. Everything you do matters. Apni boy se kenege, koi se kenege, how are you smiling, how are you reacting, everything matters. So don't be a fashionista. Okay? Ebur moi to hodaye enekwa I am naturally like don't no. Oh 30 minute be the person APSC wants you to be. Baad mein kya fashionista hona hai hote rehna. For those 30 minutes, for those 40 minutes, don't be a fashionista. Next, don't be an Englishman. Englishman, if you know what I mean. I want to don't throw in a fake accent. Fake accent. Paisu malora soli. Throwing in a fake accent. What are you trying to prove with a fake accent? You're not getting marks for your English. Normal English cock. Don't do that. Don't do that. I got people on reels doing that. Don't be an Englishman. Normal ki bata cock. Normal English or cock. Jodi apni naturally you have that accent. তেতিয়া মই একো ক'বলৈ নাই, but when you say something pata chal jata hai, it is a natural accent, throwing in accent, nakli accent, if you're trying to overshow, it's not a radio show. आप नहीं जा रहे हो to a radio show. You are not an RJ. You are an administrator. So don't be an Englishman. Normal English at kotha kok, normal Okhomiyat kotha kok. In fact, formal language avoid koribo koise. Formal language avoid koribo koise. Jeneke I remember one of our student, she said kiba porikhima. Kiba kibir porikhima. So that it is obvious যে normal form don't be that formal এটো কৈছে normal আমি যেটা conversational এটা language use কৰো পরিসীমা বহুত কম টাইমত use কৰো so we say something else hima or something we say so হেতু বস্তু ধৰিছে because it then shows that you have prepared so don't be super formal অলপ normal conversational language ত ৰাখিব so that it feels like a conversation okay and means নহয় না তো আপুনি কৈছে it needs to be a conversation okay so fake accent nahi throw karo don't throw in big words don't think that you're in a radio show don't throw too many formal words be a normal conversational language you need to answer don't overreact kiba bole apni agree korise yes sir yes sir yes sir no 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 oh god moto oh god e maru no 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 sir no no sir don't overreact apni jodi agree korise just say a yes yes sir yes ma'am jodi apni disagree korise tetia no to kobo nalage most of the times if that is also a point of view sir in a way that's right sir we can think of it in another way sir ba ma'am use no to koboi nalage disagree to koriboi nalage don't disagree with the board but the point is it don't overreact ha 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 hahi dile jure jure বহুত পোট ফুটি লাগি গল হাঁহি দিলে হা 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 আপোনাক আৰু হয় হয় গৈ থাকিব আৰু সেই হোৱাই লাষ্টত গৈ পেলাই 80 দি থৈ দিব তাৰপিছত আপুনি ভাবিব মোৰটো ইন্টাৰভিউ বহুত ভাল গল মই কেলে 80 পালো আপুনি হাঁহিলে যে ডিৰেইল হৈ গল সেই কাৰণে আপোনাক বোলে গালি দি দিলে আপুনি বোলে পেকে কান্দি দিলে কান্দা ইজ নট বেড ইন্টাৰভিউ মে কান্দা ইজ বেড একো নাপাব আপুনি তেতিয়া আপোনাক কিবা বোলে কিবা আপোনাৰ আৰ্গুমেন্টটো they gave a statement which is charging you আপোনাৰ personal belief of a conflict hoise you cannot show anger on your face khong uthi gol no sir don't overreact say yeses with words say no's with words don't be angry at all if you cannot remember don't be sad don't be happy poker face मैं poker face बोली कोई पागला हो गया poker face आपका चेहरा देख के नहीं समझ में आना चाहिए कि क्या चल रहा है दिमाग में poker face you have to have no emotion on your face no emotion গুমুঠা হ'ব নালাগে অলপমান স্মাইল তো কৰিবই ন বাট হা 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 নালাগে okay don't overreact don't show off आपने कुछ बड़ा काम किया है don't show off if you got a gold medal until they ask don't show off don't mention that shows haughtiness okay that shows haughtiness if they ask you then say it if they don't ask you don't say it don't show off your money don't show off your money don't show your status don't try to show je mur dadao ase je service don't try to show mur father ase service if they asking for an inspiration tetia beleg kotha don't show je my relative my brother don't show off dangerous you don't know how they take it dangerous so don't show off with anything money status power whatever you have don't show off that's very very unadvisable finally don't be over opinionated eto moi koi asu I am a hugely opinionated person but those for 45 minutes I was not over opinionated opinion to apnalok khudiboi they will ask you questions of your opinion should be like the opinions of a officer imagine you are already an officer and you are having a conversation with a senior officer how will you tackle how will you answer how will you say no how will you say yes so just maintain that you are already an officer and you are having a conversation with a senior so obviously you don't dance around your senior right you are holding your poise you're having your discipline you stand like an officer there are things related to it. So এইবোৰ বস্তু না matter কৰে. Don't be political, এইটো জানেই চাগে. Don't be biased, don't be anti-government, don't be too much for government. Your thing should be balanced. Your thing should be balanced. তৈলো modern কৰিব নাযাব, that is not good. So be balanced, because at the end of the day, the government is relying on people like us, people like you, who are going to be officers tomorrow. So shoulders need to be strong, and those shoulders need to be strong with balanced opinions. So you need to be balanced. You don't need to be like, Harry, too strong about some, for example, you feel very strongly about Harry, animal welfare. বহুত বেছি passion দেখাব নাযাব. Control your passion, control your passion, control your passion. Not required. You are not appearing for an NGO ka interview, you are appearing for civil services. Lot different. So passion to jiman komabo paren, match the tone of the board. If the board is in an energy, you show the same energy. Okay, jodi teo koi ase horu ke koi asu, that also is not good. Thoda you'll have to show. Okay, so don't be over opinionated. Moi 10 ta mostu ki kolu, I told you, don't listen to people who have not qualified. শুনাত বহুত বেয়া লাগিব পাৰে, but মোৰ কথাটো হল, now डूबने के बाद realize करके कोई फायदा नहीं है. Now डुबाना ही नहीं है, because every word you speak from your mouth, that is important. And this is not only for people who have not qualified or not taken it. People who have nothing to do with APSC. There might be people who look good on reels, and they might be coming for your APSC. If they have nothing to do with APSC, they don't know. Upay nai. They don't know. They need to do something with APSC. Jodi APSC logot teolok bohise ekba kiba, then you sit. Nei to there is no point. It's dangerous actually to go to people who have nothing to do with APSC. Etu sabo. Second is, of course, don't go on investigating into the board members. Nothing to do with it. Self-improvements out. Don't attend the 1000 mocks. You will only be confused. Sai lok ma apnalok koi disu litmus test whether to go for more mocks or not. Apni keneke sabo. Don't forget basic etiquette, manners, kolu. Don't get lost in the middle of the interview. Very, very important. Don't be a fashionista. Very, very important. Don't be an Englishman. Hetu kolu. Don't overreact. Don't haha. Don't cry. Don't be angry. Anything. Don't show off. Don't be over opinionated. So dosta don't koi dilu. Tar logot akko ebar koi diu. So Bharat Bhushan Dev Chaudhary sir has kindly given us a time on 18th at a group orientation hobo, because so many people were asking for him and we were not able to get time. Imman bol arasoli karne, and it is it has been devised je ek din bohim bhalke bohim ar group orientation eta hobo. So it's very important that you attend it. Very important you attend a mock of hero panel or mock apni attend kore. So APSC CC interview, the people we have called for, Jackma Kolu, we don't sit with them. We try to not speak in front of them, because when they speak, there's nothing that we can add. They speak of that level. So please see which boards are you attending and then choose your board. So this is the board that we have, and also we have Paul Borua sir, who has kindly agreed to join us. Aji sir agreed to join us, and we have also asked a few other esteemed officers to be with us. So hetu eta moi poster banai dim. Paul Borua sir retired ACS, teo Soraideo DC asile, secretary asile as he was retiring. So Paul Borua sir is also coming with us. Hetu moi di dim baru. But nahi miss karo. This is a golden chance. Nahi miss karo. So this is also the photo of today. We can make it from the expressions of the interviewers, how strongly the interview was going. So this is very beneficial to attend the interview of this status. And like I keep saying, today or tomorrow you will need a mentorship. So why not today? So this is it. What not to do in interviews, and I hope you had the best interview. I hope we can guide you through, and try korisu ji jano ji experience korisu ji dekhisu apnalok kobole ji kaam korise ji kaam kora nai. Today is what not to do. I'll try to come with a what to do. And of course, register to our mock interviews, register to the seminar by Bharat Bhushan sir, link to logai dim. Until then, like, share, subscribe, Sandpip Academy for Civil Services. Thank you.